Hello everyone, today I will demonstrate the assembly progress of our Facelook pole stand. Now I will show you all of the contents inside the box. Now I show you the contents inside the box. We have the main tube, sub-tube, button metal plate with feet, user guide and the visa bracket, DC power cable, Ethernet extension cable, and the accessory bag. Now we are introducing you how to assemble the bottom layer of stand kit. We need one cross-type screwdriver and the screws inside the accessory bag. First, we need to put the main tube onto the metal layer and match the holes. Then fix the pole with the screws. Okay, now the bottom layer kit is assembled completely. Okay. Now we need to pass through the cable set into the sub-tube. Open the cable. And then make sure the female side into the tube first. We are suggesting you to tie these two cables together. Okay, finish. Now we need to put the sub-tube to the main tube in this way. Please make sure the entrance of the cable is facing to yourself and to this height. Now we use the thumb screw to fix the height temporarily. Okay. Now we assemble the visa bracket to the rear holder. First, please take the visa bracket from the accessory bag. At the secondary, we release the rear holder with this hex type screwdriver. Remove the rear holder from Facelook and fix it with the visa bracket with the M4 screw and the nuts. Now we assemble the visa bracket and the system into the stand. Now we put the Facelook onto the bracket. Please note the cable should be through the cable channel from here. Then put the system horizontally. And use the Hex screwdriver. Now we connect the DC power and the Ethernet extension cables and put the cable set into the tube. Okay, now we finish the assembly.